Everybody thinks the hardest part of starting over is money. I don't. I think money is usually the excuse. The hardest part of starting over is your identity. It's letting go of the person that you have been your entire life. Think about it. Most people already know what you need to do. Know you got to lose weight. Know they need to get out of debt. Leave the terrible relationship. They know that you got to change a job that you can't stand. Stop drinking. We know. That's not the problem. It's not the information. Problem is execution. Every one of those changes require you becoming a different version of yourself. And that's terrifying to most of us. Even when our lives aren't working, at least it's familiar. It's a routine. You know the excuses. We know the problems. They're comfortable. You understand them. They're not good, but comfortable. I remember looking at my life a few years ago and realizing something. Sorry guys, there's a truck. Nobody is going to come to save you. Not a doctor, not a boss, not a politician, not your wife, not your kids, not some magical opportunity. If my health was going to improve, I had to improve it. If my money was going to get better, me. If my future was going to be any better, all me. I finally stopped drinking and realized it was pretty depressing at first, but then super freeing. Because once you accept responsibility, you have the power. A lot of Gen X people are carrying around old identities. The overweight, the broke person, the victim, the angry ex-spouse, person who always quits. Not anymore. Maybe you're the person that says, that's just who I am. Wrong. That's who you were. And there is a difference. You can be a completely different person from now in 2 years. First, you have to stop defending the life that you freaking hate. That's the hard part. It's not the money. It's not the gym membership. It's not the diet. It's not your budget. It's letting go of the story that you have accepted of what you are. Story that says you're too old, too far behind, too damaged, too broke, too late. None of that bull crap is true. I'm 57. I've had a lot of health problems, financial struggles and mistakes, a lot of failed relationships, so much regret and hurt. I got a long list of things that I wish I had done differently, but I'm still here. And as long as you're still here, you still have time. But it's not unlimited, but enough time to lose the weight, certainly enough time to improve your health, to rebuild your finances, enough time to create a future you're actually proud of. Hardest part of starting over isn't money. It's just deciding that your future deserves more than your excuses. If you're starting over like me, please follow along, hit the subscribe button, type I'm in so I know you're doing it with me. If you're serious about rebuilding your life or want somebody to walk with you, I'm an accountability coach. Email me, erichobaugh@gmail.com. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I see you on the next one. Thank you.